Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com, here with You Can't Make This Shit Up, Coronapocolypse style.
Come on, guys! Oh, it didn't shoot.
Okay, so I got my little baby monster. I don't know if you guys have heard this yet. You've seen any of my videos. My wife, right, she does the grocery shopping. She's a wonderful woman. She does many things very well. She's not a good grocery shopper. We run out of shit all the time. It is what it is. You know, even during the Coronapocolypse, we run out of shit. So one of the times that we ran out of stuff, I like to have two monsters every day, like the 16-ounce ones, right? So she's like, I solved the problem. I ordered like 150 monsters. I didn't even know they made this size can, okay? Now I got like 100 more of these things left. So you saw that video. God, I love that stuff. You saw that little video. That's Max Van with a couple of kids in the sub last weekend. Weather was really nice. They were properly social distancing, no question about it, right? Max is the one on the rear wheel. My neighbor was out there. I was in the house painting. Max is doing some landscaping. He took a little rip on his bike. You know, he saw Max out there riding with his boys. He shot a video. We're buddies. He texted it over. I thought it was kind of cool, so I put it on our Facebook, thinking it's just kind of a little pick-me-up, right? This sucks for everybody. We're all quarantined in our houses. You know, it is what it is. But here's a cool video of an older kid hanging out with a couple of younger kids, showing them how to do a pretty sweet wheelie. Well, let me tell you, that went sideways real quick on our Facebook. One of the very first comments was, "Keep your kid inside, dumbass." Come on, man. Who types shit like that on the internet? Who goes on to somebody else's nice, positive Facebook post and leaves some shit like that? Of course, in typical style, I just charged right back at him, right? Because who does that? Next up, what do I get? Then I'm getting my balls busted because the kid didn't have a helmet on his pedal bike. Let me just say, when we're on motorcycles or snowmobiles, anything that's got an engine on it, except for a lawnmower, we're all wearing helmets. There's no doubt about it. We're on the track. We're fully geared up, airbags, the whole nine. When it comes to the pedal bike in the neighborhood, I am certainly more lax. To justify it, I will tell you, I was born in 1970. That's right. I'm going to be 50 years of age. That is before bicycle helmets were even invented, okay? I got raspberries, I got this, I got that, crashing bikes, and I made it. I actually don't think as a child I ever rode in a car that had functioning seatbelts. And I'm still here. During this challenging time when we're all cooped up inside and our lives are so different and there's so much less social interaction, let's remember to give each other a little grace. You see something positive? Smile at it. You see something maybe you don't love? Take a breath. Pump the brakes. Don't start typing a bunch of negative shit. That doesn't get anybody anywhere. You know, some of these posts that people are making out there, all these numbers of craziness, right? Well, I agree this is a challenging time. Don't feed into the negativity. Be part of the solution and not part of the problem. There is my Coronapocolypse public service announcement. Thank you to everyone out there who has been supporting our business. We're still selling a fair measure of stuff, and it's because of all you great people out there supporting us. We're doing the best we can to get you your packages on time. I will say that right now, there are some delays that are happening. You know, you get the shipping companies, they're running into issues here and there. They're moving pieces of freight around. It's just gotten more challenging. Just please be patient. If your package gets delayed, understand we will always do our level best to get it to you, to keep you up to date. It's a very fluid situation, and I think my team's doing a great job of managing it. Once again, thank you everyone for your support, and have a wonderful Easter.